Yes.
Start.
So hey guys, let us start. Hey everyone, hope every one of you are doing great. So we are here back with something interesting. Okay, so we have a guest today, and this topic or today's topic will basically surround the defense forces. Okay, we have all been part of defense forces, especially this guy and me. Okay, we have both from the defense forces. Like my father, I have an army background, and he has the same thing. Okay, so we just gonna discuss because we are both the defense aspirant. So we're just gonna discuss the basic thing right from hustling, right from exams, then all other things. Okay, what does it take to be a armed forces aspirant? The basic thing is that, okay, because not everyone is that kind of aspirant. Okay, you need to have. I personally believe you need to have that steel, that passion for the army in order to like be an aspirant to. So one of our guests today is Hamara Manish Bhai. Okay, definitely we'll be discussing because Manish Bhai is also preparing for armed forces, and we'll try to figure it out. How does it feel? Okay, like what is his journey till now, and what is he planning right now? So let us shift to Manish Bhai. He will just give a brief introduction, like what's his background, what is he doing right now, and things like that. So yeah, Manish Bhai.
Hello, my name is Manish Singh. I'm, a,
Just
I'm
continue.
preparing for CDS, Combined Defense Services. It is a defense exam. So my father is in army and my grandfather is also in army. So we have two generations shoved till now in army.
Yeah, I just wanted to mention a same background. Okay? My grandfather also has served in the armed forces, and I've been fortunate enough that my grandfather has served in two major wars. Okay, 1971 Indo-Pak and it was actually 1999, I believe. That's a Kargil war. That my father was also part of that. He was not directly into the war, but yeah, somehow he was part of that major event that took place in the history of India as well as history of armed forces. So yeah, we definitely share the same background. But I just generally wanted to ask, like, why do you want to join forces? Yeah, just tell it. This is on our channel. Just think and just tell it out. तो होता ही नहीं मेरे चैनल में, इतना एडिट तो करता ही नहीं, but I'll tell you my own opinion. My own opinion why I want to join forces. Okay, there are a lot of reasons out there. One of the basic reasons. Okay, he has already mentioned that our ancestors, my grandfather, my father, is already serving in the armed forces. So I've always been motivated by them. The second thing, the perks, privileges, definitely are worth preparing for. Third, the lifestyle. Okay, I'm a kind of person. I've always been an adventurous person. Okay, I've always been into sports and things like that. So that have always motivated me. Like army is the only place for me, and I'm also fascinated with guns. Why not? Now, if you're getting the opportunity to like learn something like gun and fire and combat, why not that thing? So that was my initial motive. Okay, that's why I'm preparing for the CDS, and I found this guy also preparing for CDS. So I wanted to know his story. So what's your motive now?
So पहले मैं साइकोलॉजी स्टूडेंट हूँ, तो मैं साइकोलॉजिकल एस्पेक्ट बताऊँगा. So मैं जब सेकंड में था, so I also want to go to defense. But मेरे को डिफरेंस नहीं पता था. जैसे GCOs होते हैं, ऑफिसर्स होते हैं. So I don't know the difference. उस दिन मेरी PTM थी, सेकंड क्लास मेरा एंड होता था. मेरे को याद है PTM में.
This is
पता
all
नहीं.
the backstory. Okay,
हाँ,
guys.
backstory.
Just listen
So-
it carefully.
अच्छा. सो मेरे को प्लेन्स वगैरह देखने का बहुत शौक था, प्लेन. और तो अचानक से वहाँ हेलीकॉप्टर की आवाज़ आई, तो मैं ग्राउंड में गया.
That's a wonderful story.
ग्राउंड में गया. सो पता नहीं, मेरे को एक इमेजिनेशन टाइप का है कि हेलीकॉप्टर जा रहा है, वहाँ से ऊपर से फूल बरस रहा है और कैडेट मार्च कर रहे हैं. जबकि मेरे को कुछ नो आइडिया, मेरे को कोई आइडिया ही नहीं था कि कैडेट कौन होते हैं, जीसीओस कौन होते हैं, जवान कौन होते हैं, ऑफिसर कौन होते हैं. मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि मैं ऐसे ड्रेस शिफ्ट हुआ, 2 स्टार यहाँ है, 2 स्टार यहाँ है, और एक हेलीकॉप्टर जा रहा है, और वो जो पेटल्स होते
मजा आ जाता
हैं,
है।
रोज़ के पेटल्स होते हैं वो. तो
Really?
मेरा अनकॉन्शियस जानता है, मेरा सब कॉन्शियस जानता है, मेरा सब कॉन्शियस माइंड जानता है कि डिफेंस में जाना है, तो क्यों नहीं डिफेंस
That's
ज्वाइन
feeling.
करूँ.
Actually जो bro बोल रहा है ना, that feeling is in itself like once in a lifetime feeling. Okay, you are having the stars on the shoulders. At the same time वो जो plane की बात कर रहा है भाई, all those flowers and all those tirangas and colors ना, तो वो once in a lifetime opportunity है, and you cannot even pay for it. Even if you pay crore and crore rupees, you cannot get that moment. So वो मोटिव है ब्रो का. And bro like और बताओ like how did it start? अभी क्या कर रहे हो like how are you planning to join forces? Because there's high competition out there.
Yes,
That's the
I
first
know
thing.
that. So अभी मैं CDS की तैयारी कर रहा हूँ, कंबाइंड डिफेंस फोर्सेस, जो मैंने बताया.
Yeah, tell something about CDS. What is this exam about?
ये एग्ज़ाम साल में 2 बार होता है, और ये आपको इंडियन आर्मी, नेवी और क्या कहते हैं एयरफोर्स, इसका नाम कंबाइंड है, तो तीनों फोर्सेस में आपको मौका देता है. सो मेरे को नेवल और एयरफोर्स के बारे में ज़्यादा नॉलेज नहीं है, लेकिन बट मैं आर्मी के बारे में बता सकता हूँ. अगर आपने जैसे एग्ज़ाम दिया, ये यूपीएससी एग्ज़ाम कराता है, यूनियन पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन, ठीक है. पहले आपका रिटर्न होता है, आप रिटर्न क्वालिफाई करोगे, फिर आप एसएसबी में जाते हो. एसएसबी में भी स्टेजेस होते हैं. आप पहले दिन जाओगे, स्क्रीनिंग और स्क्रीन आउट होता है.
That's a
अगर
rigorous process.
पहले, हाँ, पहले में 80-20%, मतलब 80-20 नहीं तो भी 60-40 चलता है. 60% आउट, 40% इन. फिर वो लोग 5 दिन की एसएसबी की ट्रेनिंग, एसएसबी का प्रोसेस होता है उनका 5 दिन में, उसमें उनको
I
फिजिकल
just
भी
wanted
देना
to
पड़ता है.
mention a point that he is also trying to mention is the selection rate is 3%. Okay, so that's a huge competition. At least like few lakhs, you can say like 4-5 lakh people appear for the exam, and only few clear. Only
Hundreds of
only like 8,000 clear, and among the 8,000 also only the 100 people get selected to get the training in those prestigious institute like OTA, IMN and things like that. So you can just imagine what's the competition level like. So bro, tell us like what mindset do you really want for such kind of competitive things? Like what are you doing? Like what do you think are the qualities that are required to join the forces?
फर्स्ट क्वालिटी शुड बी डिसिप्लिन, क्योंकि कहा जाता है फर्स्ट डिसिप्लिन पे ही चलती है. अगर डिसिप्लिन नहीं है तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. तो डिसिप्लिन मतलब एक कंसिस्टेंसी है. जैसे मैंने अपने के लिए प्लान बना रखा है कि 5:30 पे उठो, इतना टाइम मतलब रनिंग के लिए जाओ, इतना पढ़ाई के लिए दो. सो एक
What's the time limit, bro? कितना हो गया टाइम?
7 मिनट.
7 minutes ना? Like yeah bro, you can tell. Discipline, you are talking about discipline is one of the major thing, and
Major
discipline
thing.
is part.
कंसिस्टेंसी इज ऑल्सो पार्ट.
एक चीज ऐड करूँगा, what discipline is not just required in the forces. In every aspect of life you need discipline, and if you really want to succeed, people say that discipline is the bedrock. Okay, so armed forces में your life will be like that only. You will be trained to be a disciplined person. So that one of the qualities you can imbibe before going to armed forces and after going to the armed forces. Yeah bro, you're talking about second quality.
When you prepare for the competitive exam, you become better. If you are selected or not selected, you will be better than the past. Second thing, and third
is leadership. Yeah,
leadership. Yes,
You need to have some sort of that guy is also telling decision making.
decision making.
And the fifth one is problem solving.
Confident.
So you should have confidence. All these characters somehow or the other is required in all kind of leader, whether it's military leader, whether it's entrepreneur, any kind of leadership requires this quality and this kind of mindset. But I personally what I feel for armed forces, you have to be crazy. You have to be crazy for uniform, you have to be crazy for your motherland, you have to be crazy for unity, you have to be crazy for the brotherhood and everything. Even you have to be crazy for the life you have. Okay, I personally said it multiple times that soldiers' life is not easy. Okay, soldier live by chance. Okay, he kills by profession, he love by choice. So that's the motto soldiers work on. So that was the major thing why we're talking about soldiers, and soldiers' life is difficult. It's not that thing, and even not the proper soldiers. We're talking about officers because we are both the officers candidate and aspirant. Okay, so the life of an officer
Officer
is
is also a soldier.
are soldiers. So you want to elaborate more on life of officers, like you want to share something, anything like you want to say about armed forces.
So I will say that armed forces is not a career, it is a passion. Because in career you, अगर आप कोई चीज़ करियर के हिसाब से ले रहे हो तो आप क्यों जाओगे? पैसे के लिए जाओगे, रिस्पेक्ट के लिए जाओगे. बट आर्म फोर्सेस एक लाइफ है, जैसे मैं तो उसको लाइफ मानता हूँ कि लाइफ जीनी है तो एक सोल्जर की तरह जियो।
And have that mindset.
Mindset, हाँ।
Definitely.
All about mindset.
और जब आप एक कैंट एरिया या कैंट एरिया वगैरह में जाते हो ना, आपको अलग सी फीलिंग आती है।
So yeah,
छाती
just tell us something about your childhood. Like you have been an army brat.
Army
okay?
brat.
So just go through that thing. Like tell us some experience.
एक्सपीरियंस मतलब कहाँ
Yeah,
transfer
experience.
हुआ है?
Like how was the journey like till now? Because you have been in multiple places.
हाँ।
Yeah, tell us something about that.
सो मैं क्या कहते हैं, मैं बागेश्वर में पैदा हुआ था, उत्तराखंड में। देन आई मूव टू दी जम्मू एंड कश्मीर टू पंजाब, पंजाब टू वेस्ट बंगाल एंड वेस्ट बंगाल टू उत्तर प्रदेश, एंड देन आई एम अगेन हियर इन उत्तराखंड। तो मतलब आर्मी ब्रांड होने का ये फ़ायदा है कि आप डिफरेंट जगह क्या कहते हैं घूम सकते हो। और ये वो जगह थी जहाँ मैं रहा हूँ। मैं आसाम भी गया हूँ, भूटान भी गया हूँ, एंड हिमाचल प्रदेश ऑल्सो। सो मे बी मैंने नॉट पूरा कंप्लीट कर दिया। तो आर्मी ब्रांड होने का ये फ़ायदा है कि आप डिफरेंट लोगों से मिलते हो, डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव जानते हो, और डिफरेंट इन्वायरमेंट में आप सेटल करना सीखते हो।
There's lot of things you learn, यार। इसने बोला ना, ब्रो ने बोला, I relate to him lot of things, okay? Right from you travel to lot of places क्योंकि there's posting happening every second year, okay? And you have to travel with your parents because that's the best time you can spend with your parents. Secondly, you get to meet new people, okay? I've been shifted to multiple APS, okay? Right from APS Daksai to APS XYZ, Kolkata and Nepal. I've been like to lot of places. Third thing the bro ने बोला, what did you mention bro? Third thing,
डिफरेंट सिचुएशन में अडेप्ट करना सीखते हो।
yeah, you become like the most adjustable guy, okay? And adaptability is one of the qualities of officer that you learn from right the childhood, just because you are a child, you are a brat of army personnel. So that was the thing, brothers, okay? I think we should conclude the video. It was nice meeting him. Just a practice video, but definitely next time we'll make a good one. So thank you
Thank you.
Manish bhai, for like
Thanks to both.
being here. Thank you.